Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be about colors. I'm working with purple, which I don't ever get to work very much, but I'm going to make that one that purple. And then I'm going to go back later and I want to make this one that same purple. Well, I go over here and I go, well, which one was it? Well, if you can see it, the last one you use has a box around it, so we can just do that. And then till you change that color, now that one has a box around it. You can always do that, or you can take the color eyedropper tool and take a sample from there and then put it in your blocks. So your color eyedropper tool is underneath your, well, it should be the top one in the flyout. That's very useful if you were going to mix some colors. Let's take the colors away from these. Let me back up here and just take the color out. Let's say we take the purple. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to add a little blue. I'm going to make my own color. Let's add a little red to it. So I've made my own color. Well, you can't reduplicate that unless you remember the steps you went through. Let's make it even different. So we can, holding down the control button and I'm just clicking. So there's a color that might not be on your color chart. Tell you what, let's add a little black to it, make it a little darker just to kind of prove the point. And I'm holding down the control button. So there's a purple that you might not have in your deal. Well, your color eyedropper will tell you what that color is. And so you've got an eyedropper here and a paint bucket on those two. So you can make them all the same color. That can also be done with the Smart Fill tool. If we take the Smart Fill tool and grab the eyedropper, then you take a sample. It's the same thing, maybe a little quicker if you had to do a bunch of them. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit.